Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Traveling Prof. If you're interested in learning Russian vocab one day at a time, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. Also, for those of you who are interested in studying Russian using your mobile device, you can download the Chegg Prep app from either the iPhone or the Android app stores and search for Travlin Prof-Kitchen. There you can find an updated list of all the words that we have taught on this channel. Thank you very much for watching, but for right now, let's dive into today's word. Today's Russian word of the day is
молоко, молоко,
молоко.
Make the sound A longer. Молоко.
Молоко. Молоко. So, one frustration that I had when I was trying to learn this word for milk, молоко, was that every O says something just a little bit different. And the people who speak Russian will tell you Russian is really easy to pronounce because the letter always says what the letter says and it never changes. And they're right most of the time, except for this word with three O's, or the O in English. In this case, every O is a little bit different, so try to make sure you get them all right. Молоко. We'll see you again tomorrow with a new word. Until then, get curious and start digging.
молоко, молоко.